Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can clear your YouTube search history on YouTube on your phone or iPhone or Android. It's really easy, and first of course you need to go on YouTube app and then click on your profile icon that is on the top right, and once you're here you need to click your data in YouTube, and then you will be redirected to the YouTube page. And if you scroll down, as you can see here, you can see your YouTube watch history. All right, so if we and YouTube search history, so if we go manage your YouTube watch history here, as you can see here on the bottom there is all your watch history. So for me, how to change Facebook language on iPhone, how to be in poster in Among Us every time. And as you can see here, if you want to delete it, just press three little dots here and you can delete one by one, doing that. Or you can delete by days, so simply, for example, click on the date, for this example 6th October 2020, and you can delete all day. Of course you cannot delete one at once, but what you can do here, you can turn on auto delete here, and as you can see here, YouTube will auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. You can select, up to you. Or you can do that or other way, what you can do that, you can basically turn off your saving activity on YouTube, and as you can see here, you can include the YouTube videos that you watch, or you can include your search, your YouTube searches. All right, simply just pause, and if you don't want to track the videos, also you can select this one, close, and simply YouTube will not track your searches and videos you watched. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.